So my name is Sophia Vanttinen-Newton and I'm the in-sessional manager. English language and academic skills are 3 modules which are open to all international students, undergraduate and postgraduate students across the university. These are individual workshops and courses which exist outside of your main modules, so you can study them alongside your main programs of study. On the ELAS workshops, students can study a range of different skill options, and they can study multiple skills if they wish to. So we have essay writing, grammar module, we have presentation skills module, we also have listening and note-taking, individual writing tutorials, postgraduate writing tutorials, and also speaking tutorials. So most of our modules are 2-hour workshops that run in the first part of the term, and some of our modules are 1-hour workshops which run right through the term. If you would like to enrol for the ELAS workshops, please go to the Kent website and find our SAL page and our ELAS page, where you can find further details about how to enrol for each of the workshops. So the benefits of taking part in the ELAS workshops are that they will help you to build confidence in your English language ability, and in terms of your academic skills, the different modules will help you to do the things that you need to do in your academic lives at the university. Things like reading an academic text, presenting an academic presentation, and also writing an academic essay. So a further benefit of studying on our ELAS modules are that all of the modules are free and they won't cost you anything to sign up for, and also you will receive employability points, EP points, for the modules that you attend.